All right, everybody, it's Mr. Gagnon here with a quick walkthrough of how to use Sightreading Factory on your computer. So, when you click on the link for Sightreading Factory, it will probably first ask you if you want to sign up for Sightreading Factory or if you would like to do a free trial. For right now, you can just do the free trial. We are working on getting some student accounts, but we don't want to overload you with too much stuff right now. So we'll deal with that next week. Once you're into the website and doing a free trial, the first screen you should see is an instrument selection screen. So this is where you pick what you want to sight read on. Is it your voice? Is it an instrument? Do you want to just do rhythm? Whatever you want. So for today, why don't I be a brass player? And I'm going to say I play the B-flat trumpet. The next screen it's going to take me to is the level. This is the difficulty of the sight reading that you want to do. 1 is fairly simple, and as you go up, it gets more and more challenging. When we do this in band, for middle school band, we're usually on level 2. For high school band, depending on the time signature, we're usually on level 2 or 3. So for right now, I'm going to do level 2. All right, our next thing that it brings us to is our time signature select. So you can pick a time signature, or you can let the website decide to do a random time signature. Let's keep it easy with 4 for today, but you can pick whatever you want. All right, then you've got your key signature. What key do you want to play in? And this is in your key. So this is not concert C major and concert G major. This is the trumpets C major and G major. So why don't we play in C today? And then you can pick what kind of sight reading you want to do. Free play is untimed. You can take as much time as you want. Challenge is where there's a timer involved. So for right now, we'll do some free play. And look at that. There's some sight reading. I'll zoom in a little bit so we can see it a little bit easier. And here is a piece that you can practice. We've got a few things you can do. You can click play to have the computer play what this would sound like for you. You can get your starting pitch by clicking the tuning fork right down here. You can turn on a metronome and change the tempo for that by adjusting down here. And that's pretty much it. Sightreading Factory, made simple.